I want to talk about how to contact Instagram influencers for your own Shopify store and how to use influencers to start marketing your products and start to grow traffic to your website and, of course, ultimately get conversions and get people to buy your product or service. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Of course, there's a lot of different angles you can contact an Instagram influencer. The key with this kind of thing, the key with reaching out to influencers is to hit them at all the different angles you possibly can. Common influencers like models, artists, entrepreneurs, singers, rappers, these kind of people, a bunch of people are DMing them all the time. So you want to make sure that you stand out when you're hitting them up for your business related question or inquiry, whatever you have, right? So you want to make sure you get them at all different angles. So a lot of times on their Instagram account, there's of course a DM button, so you want to make sure you're DMing them. But besides that, after you DM them, go comment on their most recent photos. Say, hey, you know what, love your page, just DM'd you, go check it out. Or leave a comment or two. Then right after you do that, a lot of influencers will actually have their email, their cell phone, and a text button under their bio. So I would immediately go send them an email. In the subject, make sure it's something that's super catchy, make sure it's something that they actually want to open because they see that it's business related. So that's a huge thing you guys should definitely do, is leave them a good email. Another thing is shoot them a text. If they have their phone number there, they have it there for a reason, shoot them a text and then immediately give them a call. You know what I mean? If they have their phone number and you can actually call them, go ahead and give them a call and be as professional as you can. I think the key with reaching out to Instagram influencers, there's gonna be a ton of people who are reaching out to these same individuals, so you wanna make sure that you stand out when you're doing your outreach. Another thing is make sure you're targeting who your influencers are, right? I mean, people think that people who have 1 million followers or 2 million followers can definitely help you. And while they can, you got to make sure that these are actual organic accounts that have real followers, because a lot of people nowadays are just buying followers to, for social proof or just to look cool. So you want to make sure before you're reaching out to these influencers, you're actually going through their profiles, looking at the amount of likes, comments they have on their photos. You got to make sure you're looking at the correct ratios. You got to make sure that, let's say as an example, someone has 100,000 followers. You want to make sure they're getting a couple thousand likes, a couple hundred comments, and that way you know that when you work with this influencer, it's actually going to give you guys results because they have high engagement. So just a quick recap, guys. Get them on a call, hit them with the text, hit them with an email, DM them, comment on their photos, like their photos. These are all things you want to do without, of course, being annoying. But besides that, make sure you're reaching out to influencers who actually have real accounts, real followers, and really good engagement. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.